Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you are doing well. We have done with the translation of unit number 4. We are done with the question answers. Now it's turn to start doing the exercise. In this page number 42, we have this vocabulary. In this we have many fields have a specialized vocabulary. Identify specialized vocabulary related to medical field in the text. Obviously we know this thing that every field has specific vocabulary or specific words so as this medical field has. So first of all they have given this into these three columns. First one is specialized words. It means these words have been given to us. In this column we have to write down what I think it means, which means, as if you may say, that the contextual meaning. And in this we have to write down what it does mean, which is a denotative meaning. In this we would have to write down connotative meanings, and in this section, in this column, we would have to write down the denotative meaning. For example, the first word we have scraps. I have written my answers, what I think, but you can write down your answer in this column, what you think from the context or from anywhere you think that is the meaning. So I have written rashes and damages, and what it does mean. It means that what dictionary says about the meaning of this word, that is slight cut. Second word we have infection. That can be, according to me, that can be illness, that can be disease, but what it does mean, for example, what has been written in the dictionary, that is threat of causing of disease. And the third one is ointment. What I guess it means is that can be cream, that can be any sort of lotion, and what it does mean is grease, because that moists the surface of the wound. Then we have bandage. That what I think the meaning is plaster. And what I think what is the dictionary meaning, it would be a strip of fabric or a piece of fabric that we use to cover the wound. And then we have dressings. So means we may say that bandage or some sort of changing the cloth from the wound. So what is the dictionary meaning is piece of soft material to cover the wound. That can be the meaning of this dressing. And now stitches, that you may say that the movement of needle, that what I think, and what is the meaning in the dictionary, that a short piece of thread that doctor used to sew the edges of the wound. That is the dictionary meaning of the stitches. Let's just move towards the page number 43, and the B is complete the missing letters in the words below to match the meaning given on the right. All these words have prefix this, as if we have read this concept. What is prefix? That comes before the word, before the root word. So, and suffix that we use afterwards. So here we are going to use the suffix this. This always have the negative meaning, means you are going to negate something. For example, satisfied, and if you want to negate something, you would be saying dissatisfied. So here we have examples. We have some words have been written over here, but they are missing. Meanings have been given over there. Meaning is, first one is to put out of place, which means we have to use some word over here to find out the meaning. So as if they have said us to write down dis, so that would be dislocate. And the second one is to be unhappy, means dissatisfied, to divert, distract, to exclude, disqualify, to doubt, disbelieve, to reject, disprove. So all these words we have made. And then next question is, now use the above words in sentences. All the words that we have just made, you are just going to use these words into sentences by yourself. Then we have reading comprehension. So reading comprehension MCQs are those MCQs from the text basically. So number 1 we have, if blood spurts or continues flowing after continuous pressure dash. Options are, do first aid, apply general pressure with a clean cloth. Number C we have, seek medical assistance, and the right answer is C, seek medical assistance. Now move towards page number 44, and the MCQ number 2 is, thorough cleaning reduces the risk of dash. Options are A, infection and tetanus, B, allergy, C, rash, and the right answer is A, infection and tetanus. Number 3 we have, if a dash appears, stop using the ointment. Options are number A, infection, B, rash, C, allergy, and the right answer is rash, B. Number 4 we have, change the dressing at least dash, weekly, twice a day, daily, and the answer is daily. Last MCQ we have, band-aids or sticky plasters are good for dressing. Space. Options are wounds, burns, fractures, and the answer is wound. Now move towards page number 46, grammar portion. Position of adverbs. As if adverb is an adjunct, so the place of the adverb is not specified in English grammar, but this can be placed according to the sentence. So number 1 we are going to read, I am happy when it is my birthday. So always is in bracket that we have to place it according to the sentence. So I just have put arrows where we are supposed to put these adverbs. I am always happy when it is my birthday. Number 2, my brother gets up at 6 o'clock from Monday to Friday as he goes jogging. So often that they have given us in the bracket, so we are going to use over there where I have put arrow, my brother often gets up at 6 o'clock from Monday to Friday as he goes for jogging. Number 3 we have, he went to the market. Last night they have given us, so he went to the market. Here we are going to put last night. Number 4 we have you been to Hunza Valley? Ever they have given us in the bracket, so the answer would be, have you ever been to Hunza Valley? Number 5 we have, the birds were chirping, and beautifully is in bracket, so we are going to use over there, the birds were chirping beautifully. Number 6 we have, I am waiting for Khalid to arrive. I have been waiting for over 20 minutes, still is in bracket. So the answer would be, I am still waiting for Khalid to arrive, and rest of the sentence would remain same. Number 7 we have, he saw a blind beggar in the market is in bracket, so that is going to be placed over here. He saw a blind beggar in the market. Now we are going to move towards this adverb phrase. Obviously we know that what is adverb? Adverb is something that modifies verb. So as the adverb phrase, that also modifies verb. But what is phrase? That is words, a group of words, you may say that more than 2 words. That would be called as an adverb phrase. As if the definition is, an adverb phrase is a group of words that functions like an adverb. Obviously adverb phrase is also going to work as an adverb. Examples they have given us, he works carefully, they rested at sunset. So here this carefully is an adverb, and this at sunset is going to work as an adverb phrase. Question number B is, find a suitable adverb to replace each adverb phrase in the following sentences. So in the sentences they have given us adverb phrase that we have to change, that we have to replace it with the adverb. So number 1 we have, as if I have written answer, but I would explain it later. Number 1, our teacher wanted the work to be done without delay. Without delay, that is in bold. We have to change it with adverb. It's an adverb phrase that we have to change it with the adverb. Our teacher wanted that work to be done immediately. So I have replaced without delay with the word immediately. Number 2, we have she is without doubt the most caring person I have met. So here without doubt is an adverb phrase that I have replaced it with undoubtedly. That is an adverb. She is undoubtedly the most caring person I have ever met. In page number 47, we have this number 3. This plant flowers once every year. Either you may write down annually or yearly in the place of this adverb phrase. This plant flowers annually or yearly. You may write down any answer. Number 4, we have you should complete the work in a while. In a while, as if it's an adverb phrase, so we would replace it with the shortly or soon. You should complete the work soon, or you should complete the work shortly. Now the last one we have, the two old friends met each other by accident. By accident is an adverb phrase that we are going to replace it with accidentally. The two old friends met each other accidentally. So that's how we are going to change this adverb phrase into adverb. Next we have